Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you and how you can go ahead and sign up right there in your Battle.net. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So you want to, so first of all, go ahead, open your Battle.net, and once you do that, make sure you have installed. Tap on this login option given. Once you do that, you will be able to find this kind of interface. So for this is a login purpose, we need to sign up. So we tap on this create a free Battle.net account. Once you do that, you will go ahead enter the date of birth. Once you enter your birthday, tap on continue. Now enter your first name and now enter your email address and type in the number. It's optional, so you don't have to if you don't want to. Tap on continue and now you will see this kind of interface, right? So what you gotta do is simply go ahead and agree with the terms and now tap on continue, and now you will set a password for yourself and tap on continue. Ask me later. So after you do all of the steps, you will be able to get logged in right there in your Battle.net. So yes guys, this is how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.